Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man. A franchise to choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent for Gaza in a full effect. You don't know it go already when time I aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Watch. You don't know a loud explosion, don't it? Watch. Well, the boss say, him so come home. You hear that Gaza Nation, Vybz Kartel say him soon come home, so hear what a big bad song. I go drop the 26th of this month, so you know a loud explosion on YouTube when that drop. Watch! Hear me, man? Right about now, some little boy, I run up on them channel and them a claim the boss drop off a farm. More know what kind of farm them a talk about, because my friend video link say the only drop the boss drop off half of them girl. So me hear a little boy a jump up and claim say mother the rich and the boss broke. But me tell you something, you. The only broke the boss broke in your girl mouth or in your mother hole. You hear that? Only them time that them one they broke. You hear me? Watch. And a lollipop thing. So here me I say right about now. Right about now, you know. My sister the whole entire thing I got change up right about now. And I love the vibes. Because here what? The boss start go real hardcore and the boss stay. So I now kick out them teeth right now in a dance hall. And now when you hear the album drop yet, you know. Him have a big bad song where where you see the preview and you know the 26th of this month it a drop. I think him have a collaboration where soon drop with Illicencia. And you know that is the next bomber. You hear me? So here we are go on now. Right about now, you know, when the boss forward march, you know. When the boss forward march, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. Dancehall I go take a different swing, you know. Me no know if you see it, you know. Because I don't see it in all, my gun see it. But here we are going. If you can watch what go on in the dancehall, you know. You will see it too, you know, because I'm a blind thing. So here we go. I don't know if you see how some boy come out on them channel and a boast about artists who go like say a pose him want pose for fans. Let me tell you something. The man them now watch Rebel Salute. The man them now watch Rebel Salute. Me ask all them look or come up blagger ya when me ear run down certain look lollipop thing. When the man them a go perform for the dancehall audience in a Jamaica, I done the man them done with Jamaica. You have all them big show that we are going at ear time and nobody not take no participate in them. Or is it the man them now have no catalog for go at them show they go represent to the fullest? Let me tell you something. The show they were named Rebel Salute I go come take over Jamaica. You see that a 2 night them have. And the artists them still a ball for a 3rd night. Yo. A ball, I see Bushman and a big artist Bushman in a ball live in high water, you know. Because him can't get for perform film fans them, you know. The man ball live in high water. The man tell Tony Rebel, you know, say it's not about the money, you know. The man say him for perform 7 o'clock and him there from 4, you know. What? I see Jack here, you know. I say, I'm not disrespect no promoter, you know. But he must want the people, the more Rebel for come clear up this to the people, them can come off of the stage and be people of course, you know. The man say, I'm going to do 30 songs and I'm going to 2 him could have do, you know. The man them a say Caperton, you know, and Tony Rebel, you know, need for put on 1 more night on them show, you know. That mean them can perform comfortable for them fans, you know. That mean, you know, when you know, hear all a talk like that, you know, and see say the culture show a come back and the culture a come back and culture artists a come back. Do the man them watch the show and say, oh, Leroy dance smart perform, A them thing the dancehall missing. A them thing that me I tell you about missing out of dancehall. The whole heap of enthusiasm. Not just one style alone or one brand of shit. The whole heap of enthusiasm from different artists and some awesome performance where people can't forget, you know what I mean, we stick with the people them. Not this staying far and a post on the people them. I'm probably in a foreign country. And you know the people them there, Jamaica, them not really too know what go and say anything with glitter, them think of gold. And they and a post on the people them. And now attack the raw dancehall. And now attack that I not hear nobody, you know, I come on YouTube and I talk about that. So alright then. Going all over the world go perform for other people and don't perform for your fellow country people them. What that your proof? Eh? What that your proof? You just excuse me, cause don't excuse me for a second. You know me not easy, high grade me smoke, me not bun bead. Watch, you see it? Me I say what that them approve? Eh? But don't worry. Because the reason why I say all of that I just to make you know simple is. Don't worry, Gaza Nation. The whole of dancehall a change. The boss a come. March, you hear that? So when the boss come, when the world boss come, March, you go and see the piece of catastrophe. You hear that? You go and see if a lollipop thing run bout ya. Because be a lollipop thing I see a go on. You hear that? And we set the split and set the fraction and we blaze the trail, you know what I mean? And right now we're about to come and change things in the right and proper perspective for good. You hear that? Because this time, you know, when the boss come around and a lollipop thing, cause you see a straight techno over go on to the amount of new artists who want to sit in at the camp. You see it? I remember the boss said them not even have no song, you know. Remember that, you know. The boss said them not even have no song. So all them time they were the boss in a prison, what do think I go on? Them man the music book, you know, full up the whole prison, you know. I don't go wish for him lie down alone space there, you know. You better know that. Where you think all of them reading the books they are go on? Eh? Watch. Gaza Nation, you know my thing go already, you know. You know a loud explosion when I represent, you know. So right about now, you know, Gaza Nation, me's a man, I want to, you know, big up Tony Rebel for Rebel salute, you know. It was a tremendous look. If you know, looking at the crowd of the audience, a big people from all over the world, Europe and them thing, because you know them, you can see the people, the white people, them who are trying to harass them here, you know what I mean? I love it. It can't done, but I show you something. The reason why me is a man all I represent like that. Enough of them artists the way you hear bloggers are chat about, them can't represent on Rebel show because here it's not a slack show. And you're going to have to go there with proper culture song. And how much of them where you see a chat up them mouth, how much of them you know see so intellect in terms of artists where him flip the two side where him have song and them shit. The Vybz Kartel have song for days and for ages, man. You all know Vybz Kartel raw like that in the dancehall. We go a Rebel salute, we go turn it upside down. We have too much culture song. And we have too much system song. You hear that? So when you look, we's not just a one-way song or one-way artist. You hear that? And on a lollipop thing, the general are representing a full effect. And no, say, a 5 degree outside to the Martin Luther King Day. And you know people have to come out and go to work. And all of them things because you know a holiday so school not keep. But here we are going. It's wicked and brutal, me I tell you, for some people. Because me I tell you, my virgin, when you park up, you know, all you ready yet to freeze. Another lollipop thing. You spit By the time you touch the ground and you step there, ice you step on. Real thing me I tell you about. A wicked thing outside to them and me I tell you my brethren and a lollipop thing. But anyway, all Gaza nation, anyone over the world, you know, especially America, you know, and I need that cold weather, you know. Let me tell you something, you know, keep on yourself warm, you know. You hear that until you hear from the 10 star one again with the next loud explosion. What?